Okay, good morning, grade 4s. Today is Thursday, April 30th, last day of April. Wow, where did that month go to already, hey? You should be marking, let me just back you up here. You should be marking pages today 19, 20, 21, and 22. We had that one extra page yesterday, but that was just because that one was really super short. So today we are looking at pages 23, 24, and also page 25. 25 and 26 go together, so you will need both pages for that. After this, grade 4s, so tomorrow's Friday, we have the read and play day, so we have no assignments for math. Monday, we're going to do the assessment on this unit. So on Tuesday, we can start graphing with the other grade 4 classes. So the last few pages in this book are just optional. They're kind of a fun couple solve problem pages and a crossword one at the back, so you're free to do those on your own if you'd like to for a little bit of extra practice. Okay, so for page 23 today, question number 1 has how many days are there in, so it has the question 2 weeks, how many days are in 2 weeks. So I know if I look on a calendar, a week is 7 days, so in 2 weeks I would have 7 days plus 7 days, 14 days. So that's how I'm going to figure out these. Remember a leap year, we talked about this? So how many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a leap year? A leap year happens every 4 years, right? We just had a leap year. We had February 29th this year. 2020 was a leap year. So think about that one. Question number 2 says calculate the number of hours in 120 minutes for question A is how many hours. So I know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. So if my clock goes all the way around 60 minutes, it takes 60 minutes to have 1 full hour. So if the question is how many hours are there in 120 minutes, so if I double this, I would know I'm going to double that. So my answer here would be 2 hours. Okay, that's my new color, I think. Question 3A, the rest of question number 2 are the same. Question 3A, write these minutes as hours and minutes. So 120 minutes is how many hours and how many minutes? Well, 120 minutes, I know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. 60 and 60 is 120, so 2 hours. There would be nothing left over. There's no extra minutes on that one. So question B for that one says 150 minutes. So if this was 150 minutes, I know 120 minutes is 2 hours. 150 minutes, that would be an extra 30 minutes left over. I would add the 30 minutes on here. So that would be for question B. I hope that made sense there. Question C and D for number 3 are done the same way. So kind of think how many minutes are in an hour and go back to this always. That would help you a little bit for that. And the bottom part here is just a bit of a crossword. So how many days are in a leap year? You would write it in going 1 across. So 300 and, don't want to give you the answer because that would be the answer for up there. So most of you know how to do crosswords on here. Ask your parents if you need a little bit of help with that. That one should be okay. Page 24. So this one, excuse me, says Lena and Helen stopped at the Alberta Sports Hall of Fame in Red Deer. At the Sports Hall of Fame, they found a list of people who were inducted into 2006, 2007. Write the dates written using a year, month, day format. So here, number 1, Alan Ford. So he was a